What's up, XRP holder? It's time to celebrate now because it's a really great time, my brother, for all XRP holder. Just in only, as you can see, this is the last 1 hour change occurring. You can see 0.31% profit now. So let's see, my brother. We check out the last 7 days, but definitely, my friend, at the current condition is also going to be very good now. So I am so happy to see this. XRP will be go in the moon now, and I hope in upcoming time they will completely go in the moon now. So that's clear, my brothers. To upcoming time, XRP will price will be increasing now, and this time you can see 0.7 USD dollar. They will already hit now, and I hope they will hit now 1 USD dollar. In last 7 days, 23.03% profit. Oh my goodness, XRP will burn up, and absolutely, my brother, in upcoming time they will also give you a very good profit now. Let's see, my brother, if we predicate this chart, so definitely, my friend, we better understand to upcoming time there is a chance so they will move upward now. Let's see, my brother. Just in all the holder, this is my formula. You can see whether the arrows is moving in upward direction in the last point, so that's clear, 100% clear, my brothers. For upcoming time, XRP price will be increasing now. So what do you want, my brothers? This is absolutely investing time, absolutely, my brother. If you have any plan to invest more, and especially for short time, so I think I suggest you, my brother, I recommend you to this is a very good time for you, my brothers, to invest now. Invest now, hold it, and wait for a good time. I hope, my brother, XRP will give you a very good profit just in only in very short time. So definitely don't miss this chance. Just in only, my friend, 2 days, my friend, or 1 day is remaining to they will move upward, because in the start of month every coin will fail us down. So therefore, in next month, my brother, I think they will fail us down. So be ready for our rest, my brother. So XRP holder, hope you understand something new in this video. Please, if you learn something new, so kindly like this video, and don't forget to subscribe this channel for more of this type of informative updates and videos. Allah Hafiz, take care.